and then you wait overnight, and if they float, then they will not germinate. But if they sink, they will germinate. Spring is just around the corner, and it's the perfect time to get seeds started inside your house. Traditionally, I would use some sort of plastic container to do that, but I really love the idea of these biodegradable containers. They're basically little cardboard boxes with more convenience to them. They're available here at Stokely, and I came in and I wanted to just try them out and see how they work. They come in this small box here, and then they have, just like you pop them out. And these are perfect for starting seeds because they are so small. But you can put the date and also the type of plant that you have, so you can identify everything in case you have more than one type of seed available, planted. And then the bottom tears off once you get to that point where your seeds are starting to sprout and they're getting to the point where they can be transplanted. You can tear that off and plant them directly in the ground and not have anything to throw away. Everything's biodegradable. So I just think it's a really cool idea. So I wanted to try those out and show you guys how to plant seeds, but then use these as an added bonus. We're gonna do basil seeds today. If you have old seeds, Eva here at Stokely gave me the best tip. I've never heard this before, but she said if you take a cup of water, you pour your seeds that you're not sure if they're viable or not, and then you wait overnight, and if they float, then they will not germinate. But if they sink, they will germinate. So that's a really easy way for you to tell if the seeds that you've been storing in your drawer for a year or 2 or 10, no doubt. I've seen people with 10-year-old seeds to make sure that they can still grow in your garden. So we're gonna do these. We're not gonna do the test right now, but just do it at home and see if your old seeds will work out for you. These are basil, and there are various different types of basil in different colors, which is really nice. I love the idea of having one type of plant that will give you a variety of colors in one seed packet. So nice. All right, so as you guys probably know, the first thing to do with planting a little container like this is to grab your potting mix. Now there are special seed starting mixes that are available, so you can definitely start with that if you want to give your seeds an extra little bump to see if those will work out. Okay, there's one little guy. I wonder if these all come in different sizes. I think they're all the same size, which are they look like about 1.5 inches. And I'm filling it about 1/4 of an inch from the top. So you can see those guys there. The cool thing about this thing too is it comes with a carrier. So once you get everything planted, you can open up this carrier. Whoops, there goes my display there. And put all these guys right in here. So it creates this really convenient place in case you need to move it, that you can put everything. I'm just gonna show us a few of these to get started, and then we can plant our seeds. And no matter what variety you have, just make sure that you're reading the back of the packet to find out how deep they need to be, how much water they need, where they need to be sitting. These are about 1/4 of an inch down. So what I like to do is just spread them, and they're so small. Just pop 2 or 3 seeds in each one. Sometimes not all of them germinate, as you probably know, and so you just want to make sure that you've got something popping up in each one. And I'm going to put a little bit of soil over each one to create that depth that it needs. And I forgot to get my mister, but I'm going to grab some water to water these. And that'll be that. Let me go get my mister. Once you give it a good water, just make sure that you're putting it in a nice warm window, either an east-facing window or a south-facing window, and make sure that you're keeping it moist. Don't let it dry out. Just keep a good eye on it, and you should be seeing some little pop-ups in the next 7 to 14 days. What I love most about these after using it for the very first time is that it's going to make a really good gift. You can do a pack of these, a couple packs of seeds, and even a trowel or some extra dirt for less than $10, which makes an amazing gift. So you guys get out there and start planting for your spring vegetable and flower gardens as well. Anything you can imagine, you can get started today and ready in preparation for the spring.